Okay, so we're done at, 7-Eleven. So we're just walking home right now.
And we picked up so much stuff. Look at all this shit. Oh my gosh, that's so much juices and everything.
Yes, it is. Raisinets, raisinets, raisinets. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't be beeping at me, motherfucker. Because I will tear it up in this bitch. You lucky I'm a Christian.
So supposedly RJ is supposed to be home. What do you think he's gonna do tonight? Is he gonna go wander out, find another girlfriend? I don't know, but supposedly he's home today.
I don't know. I could care less. But yeah. So yeah, this is Y9 for you. This is all of them. Yes, this is Y9. Oh, look at this beautiful painting. Don't you just love it? It's God holding up Noah's Ark with all the animals. Yes. And these are the beautiful but dead plants. Yes, over here. And this guy needs to stop playing his bass. You asshole. OMG, hurry up before we get run over. Okay. Well, YouTube, I will be seeing you folks later. I'll keep some more videos posted. So, yeah, I'll see you guys later, okay? Toodles.